If you are facing any of the Windows 11 update error, then after watching this video, you're not going to get any error while updating your Windows 11. So first thing we are going to do, we are going to troubleshoot our Windows update. To troubleshoot our Windows update, you have to open Settings app. Just open the Settings app. Then here, go to System. Then you have to scroll down. Then there you will find Troubleshoot. Click on it. Then you have to click on Other Troubleshooters. Then you have to scroll a little bit. Then there you will find Windows Update. Then you have to click on Run. Now it will take a little bit of time. Then it will detect all your problems related to Windows Update. Then can solve your issue. As you can see that problems found. Check for Windows Update issue detected. That's what I want. Did we fix your problem? Then you have to click on Yes. Thanks for letting us know. Now it can fix your problem. Now you just have to click on Close. Now it is telling me that you have to check again. So we are going to go into update, Windows Update. Then you have to click on Check for Update. Then it will show you your update, and then you will be able to update your Windows. If you're unable to, as you can see that my Windows 11 is downloading and Windows Update is downloading right over here, and it is installing. If in your case your problem not solved, then you can follow the tutorial. Then you have to download the file, which is our second step, that is Windows 11 Update Fix. Now after downloading the file, then you have to extract it. Then you right click on it, and then I'm going to select Extract All. Then click Extract. After extracting the file, then you will get this folder. Then open the folder, and inside this folder you are going to get this Reset Register Windows Update command. Just have to right click on this command. You have to click on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. Now it will take a little bit of time, then it will fix your Windows Update. It will resolve all your issue. Do you want to continue this operation? Then you have to type Y, then hit Enter. Now as you can see, it is deleting some file. The system was unable to find the specified registry or key value. Updating policy, computer policy update has successfully completed. Now it is going to take a little bit of time. Now you just have to wait for that. Now it is showing me this, please save and close anything open now before the computer is started. Now let me just close all the apps. Closing all the apps, then hit Enter. Now as you can see, my system is starting. Now after restarting the PC, go into your folder. Then you have to check that your Windows Update is working or not. If your Windows Update is not working, then you have to follow the third step, which is downloading and installing the Windows 11 latest update through the Media Creation tool. So when you download the folder, then you're also going to get this Media Creation tool. Just open it, then click Yes. Now it will take a little bit of time, and then you will got this option. Then you have to click on Accept. Getting a few things ready, but before doing this step, make sure the Windows 11 is activated. If your Windows 11 is not activated, then you can activate it using my tool. You're going to get the video link in my description. Just go ahead and watch the video and update your Windows. But my Windows is already updated, so here I'm gonna select this option, user recommended option for this PC. Then I'm gonna click on Next, and it will show you that choose which media to use. Then I'm gonna select this ISO file. Then I'm gonna click on Next. Then it will ask you that where you want to save this Windows 11 ISO file. I want to save it into my downloads folder. Then I'm gonna click on Save. Now it will download the Windows ISO file. Then once you downloaded the ISO file, then you have to double click on the ISO file. After double clicking on the ISO file, then you have to double click on the setp.exe file. So now once the downloading process is completed, then you can install this Windows. After following these 3 steps, then you will be able to fix your Windows 11 update error. So hope you guys found this quick video helpful. Make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe channel. Thanks for watching.